train guys got disturbing me in my video. Hello guys, coming back to my channel again. Welcome from Female English Breaker guys. How you all doing? Doing good na guys? I am also okay guys. Okay, so this my being third vlog guys. Your third time I'm making this video, and this my one and ordinary channel. I giving you my idea earlier na guys. My information I'm giving you what thing you getting in my channel guys. So today I going to a new destination. I'm telling you last time na guys that I'm going on to the railway today and making a video guys. No, don't worry guys, I'm not going to commit suicide guys, not going to die. I just making a video. I like walking in the railway track guys. You going up, you walking from here, from this side when you walking and you going up guys. Beauty about this place guys, I tell you little bit. This place full greenery and full air, good air, little bit sunny also guys, full beautiful. You look at yourself only guys. And people very less, and people very less. No much people guys, no disturbance, very less people. But village area na guys, or people turning back and seeing all the time. Ooh, you see there's some laborers working. I zoom it for you. There are people which I didn't see, but there are people who are working here guys. They work here for cleaning the tea leaves. One man passing by guys. So now I going to the railway track. You going from this way you taking, and then you going to the railway track. So give me 1 minute guys. See guys, last time I telling na we becoming friends. See again coming today also in my video. Again coming. Hey, not responding me guys. Hey, hi, what's your name? Lalu Bhalu. Hey, looking in the camera guys. Hi, feeling scared na guys. I bringing biscuit from next time for giving to this dog guys. Guys, one more requesting I do to you all guys. Whenever you walking roaming in the road no guys, you are having some food in your pocket guys. These poor animals having no food, so you giving them some food, they also happy, you also happy na guys. So this might being little bit request. So now I taking you to the railway patri, coming along with me. I being very camera shy guys, and I facing camera talking no much idea guys. I feeling very shy what to talk. If I looking at camera no guys, I forgetting everything. So I not looking in the camera, so don't mind guys. This is my shy guys. Slowly I removing my shy na guys, and then I showing you all my face. And to all those people who subscribing to my channel na guys, thank you very much. Very less subscription, but I'm being happy guys that you people subscribing my channel. Slowly I giving you all information guys. Working high na guys, so little bit tired guys. I giving you the view from here guys. Beautiful view guys. Very beautiful view guys. I loving this place. Whenever I being sad, whenever things I not feeling happy, then I coming to this track and I sitting. No, not for dying. I want to live for long. I want living for 100 years. I being happy, but whenever I am sad, I coming here. One more thing I tell you guys. Just before 1 minute only, not 1 minute guys, just before some time one railway passing guys, on railway, one train passing on the railway guys. So being very beautiful, not beautiful guys, being very little bit careful. I also when coming here guys, sometimes train coming quietly and passing by, then these beautiful stones you see, beautiful stones, how making this shape na guys. I sometimes questioning myself how this shaping coming of the stone, like this stone not getting in middle of this road na guys. So I telling you, if you're coming to this like kind of patri no guys, always taking care that any train coming or not coming. And if you come with small magu or small kids no guys, always being careful that with the kid guys. Betterment not bringing any kids guys, because they're not understanding roaming here, they're full tension no guys. I working little bit here and I giving you one benefit today. I telling you na guys, my giving benefit also in this channel, entertainment and benefit giving. So I giving you benefit about walking guys. it is very important of walking every day, guys, for everybody. You being small 15-year-old child or 50-year-old man or woman or anybody, but walking every day for 15 minutes very important, guys. Okay, because when you walking now, guys, blood also roaming in your body from every angle, guys, going in every direction. Then your heart, lungs, kidney, everything being beautiful, guys. Look at that view, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful, guys. Looking at that, very lovely. Cow also looking now, guys. Very beautiful, heart touching moment, guys. Full heart touching moment. So I'm telling, guys, walking very important for everybody. Every day giving 10-15 minutes walking, guys, very important, good for your body. And you having any kind of disease na, guys, all disease main cause being walking. If walking every day little bit na, guys, being very helpful. And if you having sugar and diabetes also, guys, they also being reducing time to time. Full medicine always not taking na, guys. So walking very important. And following by this channel, guys, every time slowly I giving you full more content, more information I giving to this channel. Today I ending here, and I give you full freedom na, guys, to subscription to my channel, guys. That I give you full freedom to touch the subscribing button and play with the YouTube bell just like a jingle bell, guys. Full freedom, guys, no feeling shy, because if you liking this video na, guys, then sharing and liking and subscribing to my channel and sharing with your friends, guys, because sharing being caring na, guys. So today I giving you this much only, or else if train again coming from back, then I turning like this small stone, guys, being into pieces, and then or being like a pest. So bye, guys, take care. I going away today, but next day I again coming and I bringing more information, and this channel I give motivation and life ideas also, guys. So taking care, being happy, always being fit also, and walking very important, guys. Remember, not forgetting. Okay, bye, have a nice day, good day, and good night.